Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the meeting strip for Saxon Math 1. This was a question that I received, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show how to use the meeting strip for Saxon Math 1. So this is to make copies from for your student, and you will use one of these every day. So I made a copy here to work with to show you guys. So even though it has the little scissors and the little dotted lines, I just had my kids just use this piece of paper, and we didn't cut it out because it was easier for them to just have it as the full sheet. But if you want to, you can cut out the strip and have a strip to use every day. So basically when you're doing a lesson, let me just turn to a lesson real quick to show you how to use this. Each day here in the meeting, it says to ask your child to write the full date on the meeting strip. So that's what this is for, to make it a little easier. Today's date is. So when my kids were doing this, they were in kindergarten, they were 5 years old. So what I did at first was I just did the dots here because they weren't like really good at their letters yet. So I would actually do the whole date like that. But once they're good at it, once they're good at writing, they can just write it. Let's see, I'm not exactly sure what today is, so I'll just write the 16th, July 16, 2020. So for today's pattern that's right here. This is the pattern. So it says here, write the following number pattern on the meeting strip. So you would write for that math lesson 22, 23, 24, and then line, line, line. And then that's for the student to write what the next three numbers are for the pattern. And there's a pattern for every day starting from lesson 31, I believe, and moving on. And here for the coin cup, once you get to about lesson 30, 31 as well, they do have over here in this box, it tells you how much money to put into a cup. So here it says put 20 pennies in a coin cup. And then so the student would look at the money, count it up, and then they're supposed to write 20 cents once they figure out how much was in the cup. And as the book continues on, the patterns get more complicated, and the money, the coin cup here gets to be dimes and nickels and pennies and quarters. So it gets more complicated as you go. So that is all that this is about. You basically use it to write the date, the pattern that is here, and then the amount that is in the coin cup here. So that is what the meeting strips are about. If you guys have any other questions about Saxon Math 1 or any of the other books that I have reviewed, please let me know and I'll make a little video for you. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.